So today we're gonna do some grocery shopping and probably show you that we're in the search for some pork that has some fat on it. My wife thinks we don't have that here in the States, but we do. Right, honey?
Yeah, maybe.
So, get ready to make some 3-in-1 coffee now. See you guys. Do you want the one with the bone in it, or do you want? That's down here. Just we're vlogging our shopping spree. I mean our grocery shopping. My wife just said, "What did you tell me? I was complaining my what?"
Just do your vlog. Stop complaining.
She said, "Stop complaining your ass." So this beef, is that thick enough? To go on, forget the sticks, put the vegetables in between.
Yeah, this is good.
I'm gonna skewer some meat.
Okay.
Yes. So why do you have pignon?
Because it's hot.
This is hot.
Yeah. We use umbrella all the time in the Philippines. So who cares? I want to use umbrella here in the United States.
So people are looking at us like my wife's weird because she has an umbrella, but she's smart. She keeps the sun off her head.
Yeah, they think I'm crazy.
Anyways,
So here comes the food
thanks for stopping by
vlog.
our channel.
It's a raw food vlog coming up
Hi
now.
everyone! Welcome back to our channel. So ngayon po magluluto po ako ng grilled beef. So ayan guys, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano ko po i-marinate yung beef. So see ya! So ito po yung aking garlic. Start na po tayong mag-marinate. So lalagyan ko po ng soy sauce. It's enough. And then tapos yung pepper. Tapos i-mix lang natin. So ayan na guys. Nakalimutan kong lagyan ng brown sugar pero tapos ko nang nilagyan, di ko lang napakita. So lagyan nyo pala ng brown sugar kung gusto nyo. Kahit konti lang para konting panglasa. So ayan, ilalagay na natin yung beef. So marinate na natin. So, i-marinate natin, bali, sa ngayon is 4:21 na. I-marinate ko lang po ng 1 oras. Pero mas maganda pag mga ilang oras ma-marinate kasi matitikman mo talaga yung lasa. So, ayan na. Eto na guys. So, ilalagay ko muna sa refrigerator for 1 hour.
Okay.
The stick is too small.
No, that's good. She's skewering the beef. Skewering, that's a word I hope. So So she's putting on. You want me to use my fingers?
I'll do it. I'm just gonna wash my hands.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Wow, it's pretty, huh, honey?
Mm-hmm. It's colorful.
It's colorful. It's gonna be masarap.
Well, it should be.
Grabe! I don't know what I'm talking about.
Just do it.
So I'm asking my wife, what are all of those seed-looking things in there? She says, that's garlic, silly. I don't know. I'm American. This is new to me. This is gonna be really good. Masarap. My wife's complaining there's no fat on it. Let's see.
Oh, it's my tummy's hot.
What do you think?
It's okay. But yeah, it's fine.
And we got some corn over here. And guess what's in this thing? Leave a comment down below if you know what's in there. Now that you've seen this wonderful beef, we're off to the Portuguese festival to check out some of their food. This is going my 4th year living here, and the festival is out.
Hi everyone, so it's me again, Jessica. So andito po kami sa Portuguese. What's the name of the Portuguese festival? I'm sorry. So itatry namin ang pagkain nila na malasada at sandwich Portuguese. So let's see kung ano ba ang flavor ng kanilang pagkain. So, see ya!
So we're gonna get a malasada sandwich and see how that goes. We have the casada sandwich here.
So this is casada sandwich, Portuguese sandwich. I can't really explain the flavor.
The flavor, yeah.
Yeah, but it's good.
You get a thumbs up.
Yep. So this is they're gonna call this one as malasadas. So let's see what's the taste of this one. It's sweet though, but it's really yummy.
Yes, it is, of course.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Chinese people that I saw my grandma do this one.
Thanks for stopping by our channel here at Claude Slash.
Jessica!
We appreciate you being here.
Don't forget to like and subscribe! Salamat sa pagtanaw sa among video. Amping mo tanan!
Paalam!